which is considered bathing. So we are going fishing. I want to take you guys with me. Explain the situation. Oh, come on. What is body hoop?
Those fishes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
I'm gonna be on this boat 4 hours, starving. I told him to buy me some peanut butter and jelly smackers, and he left them. I'm be hungry. It's gonna be an angry fishing trip. So we made it on the boat. And here you go. View. I want your shirt. Got 5 rods. And of course, this one, man. So apparently, what they call?
You using me?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna use me.
So these are porterites. How you say it? Porterites things. So you're supposed to be able to see through the water. Let me see if my camera can see through the water. I can't see nothing. Put it on to see if you can see through the water.
They ain't gonna tell you if it work. There's no light.
They could tell me.
They need light.
I'm a flashlight. Come on. They be lying. They be lying.
I see something moving.
What you see? Why my shades don't work? They were $5.
Look, I see a whole lot of fish right there in the water.
Let me see. Let me hold your glasses. Let me see.
Where's the line?
They lying.
I thought it was lying.
You probably got to wait till you get to the middle. You over there. I'm in front of a curl race. Oh, come on. Come on.
Hey guys, everybody interested in the $5 fish pool this morning?
We got to pay $5?
If you wanna pay, if you catch the biggest
For what?
fish. The
Oh,
biggest
I'm catching
fish.
the biggest fish. I know what they talking about. I ain't got $5. That's all.
I made a video.
It's gonna bait my rod for me because I ain't touching no damn shrimp. And this shrimp got eyeballs. I ain't touching no shrimp. Wait, man. Oh. Oh, go ahead. Come on now. Embarrass him. Don't embarrass him.
You ready? You see
Yeah,
what's up?
go ahead. Put it in there. I'll let you start first.
You just drop it on us. So tiny.
You don't want to let go of my rod. This is short. I'm a sea basser.
Specialist.
Wait it.
The keepers though.
Hey Ron. Hey Ron. What do we do with barracudas?
You can get it out.
Especially that size, you could eat.
I'll let Ron.
This size can eat? Okay, we won't keep him.
I haven't seen anyone handle one yet, so I'm gonna lock.
Just use the hook. Yo, D, barra lady. Where you going? Where you going? All right. Yo, D, barra lady.
Get it.
That's a run!
Okay, keep him.
Huh? It is. What is it? What's the same thing? I got another one. Ooh. Can I keep it? Gotta go back in the water.
20 is huge when you see it.
Oh,
Alright, he's going back.
baby. Oh, it's so hot. And strawberries. What is this?
What's that?
Porgy.
Porgy is a keeper?
Is that what it is?
The fish. Your fish?
Certainly not like we catch these every day.
So we didn't even get a chance to eat
Rhonda,
today.
what is that? The sea bass? I thought. We might have to find
That's pretty. That's the keeper?
Yeah, you can keep him if you want.
Good. That's pretty.
You got it? You want to take a picture with it?
Guess it's the crab.
Hey, she's the boat, you're the keeper.
Ooh, almost fell. So back in there. Successful fishing trip. I'm watch my
Walter,
content.
there's no jumping, okay?
No jumping, Walter. Walk to the.
Two in the head.
My barracuda get his own bag.
You're putting two.
Stay long. Now he basic. Now we're done with the boat thingies. Now we over here at this pier that he like to go to. He said this is where all the snappers at. Oh, that scared me. Why you gotta go through all that? It's gonna scare me. It's gonna scare me. Ooh, don't put it by me. Wait. Put it by me. My feet hurt standing up. I think these your socks anyway.
Yeah, that's my socks.
Mm-hmm.
Stand on your blood clot. Fuck, yo.